Hello, YouTube. This is Danielle with Danielle the Domestic Scientist. Today, I have a really quick Wayfair unboxing video, so stay tuned. All right, so my place setting debacle starts about 16 years ago with this white plate. Many years ago, everybody was getting into the bistro plates and bistro tables and everything, and white ceramics, and it was trendy at the time. And I fell into it. I actually really did like it because it was a modern way to have a nice place setting without the formalness of what our parents had when they had fine china. So I had purchased this plate from Target for about $10. Now I was like fresh out of college and I didn't have a lot of money. I had a small table, so I only needed 4 at the time. And I still, over the years, still like the same trend. So, but now I'm grown. I own my own home and I have a 10-foot dining table that they say you can fit 10 people at. So when I get ready to purchase china, I feel like I should have at least 12 place settings, just because I want to make sure I have enough place settings for the maximum amount of people my table can fit, plus 2 extras in case I lose or break a piece over the years. So 16 years later, I was trying to expand my place setting because I use these plates every day at this point. They're really great in the dishwasher. They clean up very well. They're a substantial plate, very heavy, high quality, and I really just love it. So I had gone on Target's website, and wouldn't you know, they still sell the plate, but now the plate is like $15 a piece. And I was like, you know what? I'm not paying $15 a piece for this plate. So I went to Wayfair.com and I ordered a replacement or a plate that should be similar. So hang on, we're going to do an unboxing and compare the 2 plates. All right, so this is a moment 16 years in the making. I'm super excited to be unboxing these plates from Wayfair for about $38, white ceramic square plates. I'll probably put a link in the description box below if you happen to like them. To get a place setting for 12 for only $40 is an amazing find, so I'm really excited about it. So far, the box is really heavy because there are 12 large plates in there, and so I can see that they have wrapped it in groups of 6. So the first set is 6, and then at the bottom of the box there's another pouch of 6 plates. What I like is that they put a lot, and I mean a lot, of bubble wrap on these plates. So I'm really excited. I'm just gonna move the box out of the way and continue on. I like to preserve the bubble wrap if I can, because you know, if I'm listing something on Poshmark or whatever, I don't buy new bubble wrap. I'll just reuse it. So I'm just going to kind of cut that carefully. I'm not going to be, you know, too crazy about it, but I definitely want to be able to keep some of the bubble wrap in case I need it. So I'm really excited about doing this. So far, it's looking like the plates might actually be a match. So that's really good. And I'm just super excited about it. So we're going to continue on and move the bubble wrap out so that we can get to the plates. And I'm excited to see what they look like. And it's like, okay, now I'm a little bit annoyed by all the bubble wrap because it's slowing me down, and I'm super excited. But finally I get to the top and I see a plate, and so far it's looking good. So I'm going to move all this bubble wrap out the way. Like I said, I'll probably be reusing that, and I'm going to now look at the plates and see what we've got here. Right away, they look pretty good. Doesn't appear that anything's been broken. So A+ to Wayfair for carefully packing the plates. It looks like there's a foam piece in between the plates to keep them from getting scratched, so that's good. So far the plate really looks almost the same, but I can immediately tell that the weight is different, and it's a different brand. I'm not really familiar with it, but that's okay. It's just a plate. I also noticed that it looks up to be about the same size, just a little bit lighter in weight, but the shape and, you know, kind of the curves and angles on the plate are very similar. But it's a really good, very good similar piece. So far, I'm very impressed. I'm going to push these plates out of the way and Then I'm going to get a placemat to protect my table, and we're going to compare. I noticed that the edges of the plate are just a little bit rough. Okay, hold on. Now I just scooched the plates over. So now I'm looking, oh my goodness. Okay, so now I'm freaking out because I just realized the bottom of the plate is kind of sharp and I just pushed those to the side. So I don't know. I'm hoping I didn't just scratch my table. We'll see, but I wanted to compare the two plates side by side. But at this point now I'm thinking I might have scratched the table. So I'm freaking out right now because this is a really table that I got from a high-end store a couple years ago. I got it on sale. So now my husband has come from behind the camera and we're looking at the table, and now we're having a full-scale freak out. It's a little bit scratched. It's superficial, but I am okay, I just scratched I'm so upset because I know I'm supposed to use placemats, but I don't know why I thought there was a foam piece at the bottom of the last plate, but apparently there's not. So now I've scratched my table. It's not horrific, but I'm really, upset about it because this was an expensive table, and obviously my husband is too, because now he's then got in front of the camera looking at the plate. I'm gonna see if I can find a video to kind of help cover those scratches with something, maybe some furniture polish. I don't know. I need to try to figure that out, but right now this is just okay. I'm trying not to cry right now. I'm just gonna carry on. It's just a table. I'm not gonna freak out, but at this point I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of mad anyway. So this is the new plate, and this right here is the old plate. So I'm gonna put them side by side with the same placemat so you can tell. The thing about the Target one is it's much smoother at the bottom, so I've never had to worry about the ceramic scratching. When I put them on top of each other, you can see the angles are very different. The new plate at the top is a little bit different. Okay, hold on now. I done got out of frame. Okay, here we go. So the new plate at the top is it slopes slightly differently if you can see them next to each other, but it's not really that noticeable of a difference. I think that I could put the place settings next to each other on a table and you really couldn't tell the difference. But one of the things I noticed about the new plates is, according to the website, they're not microwave safe. So that's kind of a bit of a problem because everybody microwaves every day, and I use my Target plates in the microwave all the time. So I have a salad plate. This is the thing. When I bought those plates years ago, they didn't have a salad plate that matched at the time. So I bought these cheap salad plates from I don't know where. I mean, I've had them for so many years, I can't even remember. So I'm going to put the salad plate on top of each one to kind of see if it kind of highlights the differences. But to me, it's slightly different. But if you mix and match them up on your place setting, I don't know that anybody could just immediately come in and look and tell. I'm okay with the way it looks. It's not a perfect match, but I don't think it's significant enough to say, oh, I'm going to return the plates, or it's significant enough to say I should go ahead and spend $15 a piece at Target, because it's just not that deep to me. So I have these white ceramic bowls that I got years ago from a grocery store. Those were on sale. So I do think that my white ceramic plate setting would be okay. So overall, I'm very happy with the plate, but fair warning, be careful with it. Do not put this plate on your table without a placemat. All right. So thank you so much for watching my unboxing video and my epic fail. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you have questions, concerns, or most importantly, if you have any tips about getting rid of scratches on my table. I'm going to probably make a video about how to kind of cover the scratches at some point. I'm probably going to make an experiment and try some different products or something. But if you have any tips for me, please leave a comment below. I would be so eternally grateful. Thank you and have a good day.